Today we are going to learn about managing windows, files and folders. Managing windows, files,
Keywords:
and folders.
application, title bar, desktop, cascade, stacked, file, folder. Application, title bar, desktop, cascade, stacked, file, and the last word is folder. Once again, application, title bar, desktop, cascade, stacked, file and folder. Look at this picture. We have to understanding about a window. This is a window screen. This is a window screen. Whenever we open an application, file or folder on our computer, it appears on the screen in a rectangular box is called window. It is a separate viewing area which displays its contents. Every window has some standard components like there are title bar, menu bar, Windows control button, work area and scroll bar. Title bar, menu bar, Windows control button, work area and scroll bar. Every window has some standard components. Example: title bar, menu bar, work area, scroll bar and Windows control button. Let us see the title bar. The title bar is located at the top of the window. It shows name of the application and the current document. Title bar is located at the top of the window. It always shows name of the application and the current document. Next, menu bar. The menu bar is placed below the title bar. It contains different menus. Each menu comprises a list of some commands to perform tasks. The menu bar is placed below the title bar. It contains different menus. Each menu have some list of commands to perform tasks. The next one is work area. A big large white area is called work area. A large white area in window is called work area. Whatever we want to write or draw in something means we have to use this area. Next, scroll bars. Scroll bars are used to view the hidden area. There are two types. The first one is horizontal scroll bar and then vertical scroll bar. The horizontal scroll bar is used to scroll the page left and right. The horizontal scroll bar is used to scroll the page left and right. And then vertical scroll bar is used to scroll the page up and down. Vertical scroll bar is used to scroll the page in up and down. The next one is Windows control buttons. Window controls button. On the Windows operating system, every application window has three buttons. There are minimize, maximize and close. All the windows has three buttons. There are minimize, maximize and close button. In the minimize button is used to hide a window temporarily from the screen. The minimize button is used to hide the window temporarily from the screen. The maximize button enlarge the window. The maximize button enlarge the window to the standard size. And the last one, the closed button, is used to close the active window. Once again, every window has some standard components. There are title bar, menu bar, work area, Windows control button and scroll bar. I hope you are all well understand about a window. Thank you.